Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue. Today we are going to learn how to pass the data between the components in the Vue using the events. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So basically events allow child components to communicate with the parent. Child components can emit events and the parent components listen to that event. So whenever how to pass the data between the components, we are going to learn using the events. So let's create the child component. So this is the child component, right? So let's add this is our child component and this is our parent component. Okay, here you can see when we click on the send message, hello from the child. Okay, so how we have done this is your main component. Okay, so here we have the child component receive message. Okay, the receive message right, and the components child data received message, and the methods we have a receive message, this dot receive the message, and in the child component this dot emit message. So what we are, when we click on this button, here we calling the here we calling the method that is send message. So here we are emitting. So what we are emitting, hello from the child. Okay, so when I click on this button, so this event will be listened or received. Okay, this event can be listened here and the message will shown there, received message. Okay, here you can see. So whatever the child component, when I click on the child component over here, this function or method will call, and what it contains, hello from the child. Then it will go to here you can see the main component, and here you can see method receive message. It will listen whatever the message is triggered from the child component and print it over here. Okay, so with the help of the events you can also pass the data from the main to the child. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.